V in model name Bayliner VR6 could stand for versatility. Offered as a bowrider and cuddy, with outboard and stern drive versions. The VR6 offers plenty of choice. An ideal day boat for picnics, water sports, or a cuddy boat with 2+2 beds for family weekends. With a capacity of up to 7 passengers, the Quicksilver 675 Active fully meets all requirements which boaters expect from an excellent day cruiser. Well equipped and stable on the water, the boat, which comes in 2 quite different editions, is a trustworthy companion especially for beginners. The Voyager 700 Open from Russian shipyard V-Boats is a robust, full aluminum boat for day boating or fast commuting. The rugged build in Scandinavian style comes with welded seams on both sides to last forever even in the toughest scenarios, for a very attractive price. The Tiger is unleashed, with the first glass fiber boat made by Silver Boats from Finland, using the ultra-economic hull concept of the Swedish Pete Step engineering team. Together with Ecker Design's boat concept from Norway, the Silver Tiger is a true Scandinavian collaboration.